Okay, today we're gonna eat some bacon. I just went to the supermarket. I've been using this new toaster for a while. I think you'll like it. You could buy it, but put some bacon in there. A lot of different options. Like there's a bacon option right here. You see it, bacon. And then this is a little bit weird. This toaster a little bit weird is that when you first turn it on, it has a fan, an in-fan unit. If you see that little hole in the side, there's a fan in there. It spins, so it does a preheat. So it gives you like maybe 10-second preheat, and then it start kicking in the heat. I don't know if you can hear the sizzling sound. After I upload this video, you can tell me under the comment so that I know how good my microphone is. Automatically set your temperature for you, so that this somehow is programmed. Every one of these, they program it so that it automatically set your temperature for you. So default, they also do all these options, like the fry, the wing, the bacon. They all have their own default options. I think it's so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. Okay, this thing, extra delicious bacon. I'm gonna try this out right now. Alright, so let's see. Very. It's good. It's still good. When I was eating bacon, it cost me like $6. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.